Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is crispy teriyaki chicken wings. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. You could of course just buy teriyaki sauce and use for this recipe, but we prefer to make our own. We have a video showing you how to make teriyaki sauce and I'll link that in the end cards, but use the fast version. Put half a cup of sugar, soy sauce, sake or cooking wine, mirin, a tablespoon of honey, a knob of fresh ginger sliced and a clove of garlic sliced into a saucepan and bring up to a simmer. After it's simmered for 5 minutes, strain off the garlic and ginger and thicken with a tablespoon of corn flour. And there you have it, one batch of teriyaki sauce. Next we prepare the chicken. In a suitable plastic bag, something that's strong and not too big. Add the flour, baking powder, salt and pepper to taste, followed by the chicken wings. And vigorously shake the bag till all the chicken is coated. When this is done, shake off any excess flour and place on an oven-proof rack. When the chicken wings are racked up nicely, it's off to 150 degrees C oven for 15 minutes. When the 15 minutes are up, turn the oven up to 200 degrees C and continue to cook for a further 40 minutes. Some of you might have noticed the chicken wings have white pieces on them. That's because my wife didn't take off the excess flour before she put them in the oven. Next thing to do is, in a suitably sized frying pan, heat the sesame oil, bring up the temperature and fry the garlic off for a minute or two. Next you add in the spring onions, followed by the chicken pieces. Then add the teriyaki sauce and mix through well. The eagle-eyed amongst you will notice we didn't remove the tips of the wings and divide each wing into 2 pieces. There's a simple reason for that: we prefer them all in one. While making this video, I pointed out to the wife that my favourite part of a chicken wing is the crispy tip. She called me a weirdo, and to add insult to injury, when I pointed out to a mate that I was disappointed my wife had called me a weirdo, he just said my wife was being kind. But what does he know? He's a Luton Town supporter. Anyway, when the chicken wings are coated in the teriyaki sauce, sprinkle over some sesame seeds to garnish and you're ready to serve. But one thing I will say about the said friend is he's always smiling and happy. But then again, he's had the advantage of never being married. We do hope you enjoyed this recipe, even if you are a Luton Town supporter. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.